Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile picture on Skype. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Skype. Maybe because since you have created your account, you have not uploaded any profile picture and you want to upload one. Or maybe you have clicked a new picture and you want to upload a new picture. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload a new picture or a profile picture on Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen, at the top, at the middle of the screen, and even at the bottom. At the bottom, we have four options. First one is for chats, this one is for the calls, and this one is contacts, and this one is for the news. So you can check all these options, but what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this option. This is your profile icon. If you have uploaded any profile picture, it will appear here. So for that, we just have to simply tap on this option to upload a profile picture on Skype. Once you get into this page, you will see many different options. So here is your profile icon. If you have uploaded any picture, it will appear here. So to upload a new picture, you just have to simply click on your profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen, and then we will get into our profile, and there we can see how we can upload a new profile picture. So for that, just simply tap on it. So now we are here, the camera is open. So if you want to click a picture at the moment, then you have to click on this middle option, middle circle, then it will click a picture at the moment like this, and then you can upload it. But if you want to choose a picture from mobile phone photo gallery, then this is the icon. You just have to simply click on it. After that, the picture that you want to upload as your profile picture, you just have to simply get to it, and then you have to tap on it, and then this will appear like this. Now what you could do is that you can move it and can select which part of the picture you want. And once you're done with all that, on the top we have three options. Through this option, first one, you can type anything on your screen. Like if you want to add any kind of text, you can add it, and if you want to draw, you can also do that, and if you want to use any kind of sticker, you can also do that and can paste anywhere on the screen. So if you want that, you can keep it, but if you don't want that, if you want to remove it, you can also do that. You just have to get back to the options, and there you will see the option through which you can remove all the things that you have done. After that, just simply click on this tick option, and it will just take a while. After that, it will successfully upload your profile picture. Here you can see the profile picture has been successfully uploaded from mobile phone gallery. Like that, you can also upload your picture of choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.